How's it going? Cole with Dent Out PDR here. Just want to touch on a subject we get asked often. How much is paintless dent repair? Well, as each dent is its own, each estimate is different, of course. I can tell you ours mobile repair cost starts at $150. We've went up to multiple $1,000 repairs for hail, large smash damage. This with insurance and out of pocket. What I'd like to show you though is some of the repairs that we've been able to do for our clients that were under their deductible. So your deductible is what you'd have to pay before your insurance kicks in. The damage shown in these photos was all repaired with paintless dent repair. We saved the factory finish on these vehicles. Not only that, once again, the repairs were completed for or less than the insured, the customer's deductible. So your deductible on a standard policy, you're going to be somewhere around $500 to $1,000. Some people carry a $250 deductible. I've seen deductibles as high as $2,000. This is something in your insurance policy that you really want to look into and understand what you're paying for with insurance. If you have questions, you want to know if best procedure for your damage on your vehicle, just give me a call, 904-947-3368. Would love to help you out.